Meaning of draft beer.
Draft beer.
Draft beer.
Draft beer.
Draft beer. Draft beer refers to beer that is served from a tap or keg, rather than from a can or bottle. It is also known as draft beer or tap beer. The term draft comes from the Old English word draught, which means to pull. Draft beer is usually fresher and colder than canned or bottled beer, and it has a smoother and creamier texture due to the carbonation process that occurs during dispensing. Serving beer from a tap also allows for greater control over the temperature, pressure, and flow rate, resulting in a better tasting beer.